Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to find cheap flights on Jet2 application. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Jet2 application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, but guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Jet2. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how-to videos on this application where you can go and see it and how to do it. So guys, that we got that out of the way, in front of us we have, as you can see in the top left corner, the inbox, and in the top right corner we have the menu where we, as you can see guys, have search holidays, search flights, manage bookings, and a lot of options like that. Also in the About tab we have the home, we have holidays, we have flights, we have bookings, the sign-in option, and the offers option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and find cheap flights on Jet2. Well, pretty much what you can do is, in order to get cheap air tickets, you should ideally book the tickets 2 to 3 weeks before the actual date of journey for domestic travel. And for international travel, you should book the ticket 4 to 5 months before the journey to get cheap flights. But on Jet2, you can go to their application and you can see that they have a lot of cheaper flights and a lot of discounts on the official webpage, which is jet2.com, where you can go and see some cheap cities that are in good deals for you. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as it really helps us grow our channel. That will be, as I said, everything guys for this video, and I really hope to see you in the next one. Bye guys.